Alright you guys, what's up? I know you guys like first tools ever, and I can't even find this on the internet. Probably by the time this video comes up, yes, you guys will find it. But RYOBI sent us out this new light, right? Again, no sponsorship with RYOBI directly, anything like that. We are sponsored by Lowe's, Southwire, and the Home Depot, and some other manufacturers. But we can say whatever we want about this light. This light is the entry-level stuff from Home Depot. So every video we tout RYOBI. We're fans of RYOBI. I understand if you're here and you guys, oh, these guys are RYOBI idiots. Hey man, it's about saving your dollar, and no more important than time. Right now, saving your dollar.
Well, there's a difference between saving your dollar and a good value, and I think RYOBI gives you good value because their tools, I think, are good. They're good quality. They offer professional features in there. And you even see some tradesmen actually use them. I mean, obviously they're designed for the homeowner, you know, but for the price, you can't beat them, and the amount of tools they offer. So you're not buying the different battery platforms. They got stuff from, I mean, all sorts of different things, lights, drills, all sorts of different things that you can use, which is cool. I think this is cool. This is like the first tripod I've seen from RYOBI. Do they have another one out? Any type of tripod?
I didn't see another one, but here's the thing.
They've got other lights, but not a tripod.
Remember when you had to buy those halogens, you know, and those things suck?
Oh, yes.
I hate
halogen
lights. Hot, the bulb always breaks, and you can't work with them. This is the best, greatest replacement ever, right? And it's hybrid, so you can power it by a battery, or you can also plug it in.
Which is awesome.
Yes, super simple carrying handle. Basically, to open it, you're just gonna flip it back, and then these two things go right here, and boom, you got yourself a light, right? On the front here is your power button. Two different lighting. Does it say how long a light lasts? I mean, it's
10 hours.
10
so
hours.
You're gonna get 10 hours of run time. I would imagine it's a 4. Usually all their stuff's, yeah.
Okay, so then it comes up and you can, you know, take it up.
Up to 5 feet.
Yeah, so up to 5 feet, you guys. The only thing I would do is just tighten these up a little bit, which you can with these Allen keys here, because it just does, you know, I like when
slides a little bit,
I like it when it's tight. But other than that, you guys, I mean, it's a very stable platform. I think it's a great work site, and I think you'll be surprised if you got something like this. I think this thing would last a job site. Minus being thrown downstairs, ran over by equipment, I think it would last.
Well, technically, it's usually a job site as everything falls down and breaks.
Right, but no, you know what I'm saying? I mean, job site lights are heavy, dude.
This is cool, is you can actually lower it, use it below, it will stand up, you can do all sorts of different things. There's so many different ways to shine light on there.
Oh man, that's cool. I didn't even know you could do that.
And then here, throw it down even 1, 2.
310 degrees.
You know, if you just want to leave it down and you need it up, I mean, there's so many different ways that you can basically shine light up on whatever you're working on.
Yeah, but I mean, I like that, because seriously, if you're on a ledge, dude, like look at that.
Yeah.
Now I've got like a desk light.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
It is. That's what I mean. There's so many different ways you can do with it. 2,700 lumens. It has a high and a low. Obviously, 10 hours of run times off the low.
I mean, that's pretty cool. What is RYOBI's warranty? 3-year warranty on the tool, you guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment below. Honestly, dude, I think RYOBI's killing it this year. I think that they are just doing awesome, and I'm liking the stuff that's coming out. I'm happy to be invested in the 18-volt line.
Oh, without a doubt.
Even though I don't have that many batteries, which I need to get some, but
yeah,
I'm very happy. I used to have the garage door openers. I didn't like the garage door openers too much. They came out and redid the garage door openers, so now they have new ones that work a lot better. We had the first generation ones, which had a couple issues.
I love the idea of the garage door opener because it's a modular system, so you can put different things on there, and that part was cool. But we did have a couple.
I love how it charged my battery and stuff like that.
Yes.
But I mean, RYOBI's been a solid performer for years, man. I mean, I can only think of the garage door opener and that stuff they had connected to the phone that I didn't like. Those are the only two things that I didn't really like. They were? Yeah, remember that? Phone connect or something?
I think so, yeah.
There's just too much. I don't think anybody has good luck with connecting accessories to phones, right? Because it's a pain in the butt. I mean, if a contractor or someone has to use their phone...
It's just more steps, it's more complications, more things to go wrong.
Yeah,
it's just simplicity is the way to go.
Yeah. You know? But you guys, RYOBI for the homeowner, definitely no-brainer. I mean, especially if you're at the depot, obviously Lowe's has a competitive brand called Cobalt you could look into and stuff like that. But I think that these guys are really killing it right now with all their good stuff. So, anything else you need to add?
That's it, man. I can't really say. I'm just happy with RYOBI. I'm happy with the price point, happy with the quality, and happy with the amount of tools they offer.
Yeah, I couldn't find the price for you guys on this. I looked it up. They don't even have it on Depot yet, so it's a very new piece of equipment. But I think it's going to sell off store shelves or online. That's what
It's
you want.
huge because how many times do you need a light, and especially all the different angles you can put this one. I mean, I know for me, I'm always using them, so
Yeah.
it's nice to have.
P782 is the model number, you guys. Check it out. Peace.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.